Hello everyone, welcome back to my maths video. Today in this video I will start exercise 6.4. Okay, this exercise is related to the long division method. So question number 1, find the square root of each of the following numbers by division method. Okay, if in the question it is written to apply the division method, then you have to do by division method only. If nothing is written, then you can try with another method like prime factorization method you can do. But here it is written, that's why that you have to find the square root of these numbers by division method. Let's start one number 2304. Now square root of 2304, first of all what you have to do, you have to make the pairing by placing the bar. Okay, this is first bar, one bar for this pair and this is another bar. Okay, so they are in pair. Now draw like this lines. Now we'll start 23. 23 is less than which square? So 23 is less than 4 square, that is 16. So 4 4 is 16. So 4 and here also 4. 4 4 is 16. Now give this line here, then minus sign. So now 13 minus 6. So it is 7. And now these two numbers will come together. So 0 and 4. Okay. Now what we do, next step is what? I told you that this number will be added to this number. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. Now what number will put here? And you have to multiply with the same number so that it becomes 0. So I given you one shortcut to see the unit digit. Only if you see the unit digit, then you can get the answer. We don't have to try with many numbers. We don't have to multiply with many numbers. Suppose we multiply one time with 2. Here same number you have to multiply. So it is 4 and 2 is 16. Again you have to try with what? 3 like this. 3 3 is 9, 3 8 is 24. So they are not coming. So we have to try one by one number. So by seeing the unit digit only, we can try with that number only. So here 4 is there. So which square is having 4? So here 2 square is having 4 in the unit digit, and which square is 4? 8 square. 8 square is having 64, that means 4 in the unit place. So here we have got two cases. So one case we applied with multiplied with 2, so we did not get the answer. Again we'll try with another number, that is 8. So 8 and here 8 also. So 8 8 is 64, 6 8 8 is 64 plus 6, it is 70. So now we got the answer with this 8. So here 8 and here also 8. You have to multiply. Now it is 704. Okay, now we got the answer 0. So a square root of 2304 is what? 48. Okay, in this way you have to do. Okay, fine. So students, all are same question only. So you have to do the questions in homework. So let us take one more number. So I am taking this 8 number. Okay, 7921. Let's take it. Now here we have to make the pairing. First of all, you have to put the bar on the number. So this pairing and this pairing. Now we'll make the line. So 79. So which square is less than 79? So 8 8 is 64. Then 9 9 is 81. Okay, so 81 will be more than 79, so it will be what? 8. Understood? So 8 8 is 64, you have to write. 8 8 is 64. Okay. Now give 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 6 is 1. Here 21 you have to bring. Understood? So now you have to add this 8 and 8. So 8 plus 8 is what? 16. Understood? 8 plus 8 is 16 now. Now you have to see, you have to cancel this number. So what number will multiply here and here to get this number? So I told you, you have to see the unit digit. So here unit digit is 1. So which square is having 1 in the unit digit? 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. See, 9 square is what? 81. So here also we are getting 1, here also we are getting 1. So two cases we are getting. Now one time we will multiply it 1 and one time we will multiply with 9. So 161, so it is 161 only. It is not possible. Now 1, 6, we'll keep 9 here and 9 here. Now let's see. 9 9 81, 8, 6 9 54, 54 plus 8, so it is 62. So here's 2 and in hand 6, 9 1 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Now see, we got the answer, right? So what number will multiply? 9. So we'll multiply 9 and 9. Okay, so it is 1529 21. So we got the answer 0. So our answer is what? Square root of 7921 is what? 89. Okay, this is the answer in this way. So I request all the students to do all the remaining questions because all are same process. Okay, now let's do question number 2. Find the number of digits in the square root of each of the following numbers without any calculation. So I given one video to find the square root, to find the number of digits of the square root, okay, without calculation. So how can you find it? So I have given one technique. When the number of digits is odd, then it is what? N plus 1 by 2, and number of digits is even, then it is n by 2. So by that process we will solve, and today I will give you one more method to solve this. Okay, let's see this. So students, I have given you the method. You have to count how many digits are there. Here n is what? Number of digits. So n equal to 2 here. 2 digits are there. So it is even number, 2 is even number. So number of digits will be what? So number of digits, the formula is what? When it is even, it is n by 2. Okay. So n by 2 is what? N is 2 and 2 by 2, it is 1. That means number of digits is 1. When you find the square root of 64, it is coming, number of digits will be 1. Yes, obviously, because square root of 64 is what? 8. So 8 is 1 digit. Okay, understood? This is one process. Another process is what? I am writing here, or second method. Second method I am writing here. Okay. So you have to put only bar over the number. Okay. So make the pairing of the bar. So here from this side, this there are two numbers. That means 1 bar. So if there is one bar on the number, that means it has only one digit. Now let's see how to write the second method. You have to put the bar on the number. Since there is 1 bar, the number of digit of square will be 1. Okay, here it will be square root. Number of digits in the square root will be 1 only. So you have to see the number of bars. How many number of bars is there? So it is a very easy way. Okay, this is one method. This is another method. Whatever method you feel easy, you can do it. Okay, suppose I take this number, 4 number, 27225. Here students, number of digits are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is what? Odd number. So number of digit formula is what? N plus 1 by 2. Okay. So n is what? 5. 5 plus 1 by 2. So 5 plus 1, 6. 6 by 2. So it is 3. So number of digit is 3. Now with the second method, how can you write it? Only you have to give the bar over it. 27225. So from this side you have to place the bar. This is first bar. Then again second bar. And this is third bar. Okay. So there are 3 bars. See, so there are 3 bars. How to write it? Since there are 3 bars, so the number of digits in square root will be 3. Okay, number of digits will be what? 3. See, here also we are getting 3, here also we are getting 3. So very easy. This second method is very easy method. Only you have to place the bar and you have to count how many bars are there. Understood? So students, do the remaining questions. Now students, going to the next page. Question number 3. Find the square root of the following decimal numbers. So here you can see, now we will find the square root of decimal numbers. So in prime factorization method, you have not seen decimal numbers. You cannot find the decimal number square root by using prime factorization method. But we can find the square root of decimal number by using long division method. That's why I like this method. That's why this long division method is very useful method. You can find the square root of any decimal number also. So let's find it how. So question number 1. So students, here also in decimal number, here also you have to put the bar from this side. This is 1 bar, first bar, this is the second bar. Then again you have to make the line, same process you have to do. Nothing new. So 2, which square is less than 2? 1 square. So 1 1 j 1. Okay, then 2 minus 1 is 1. Now what? This point will go here. This point will shift here. That's it. Nothing new. This point will shift in the quotient. Now 56 will come down. Okay, together 56 will come down. Now this 1 plus 1 you have to add it and write. Now 56, 156. That means you have to see the unit digit. 6 is there, so whose square you are having 6 in the unit digit? So you are getting 4 square. 16, so 6 is unit digit and 6 square. It is 36. So unit digit is 6. So we'll multiply with 4 one time and 6 one time. So 2, here 4 and 4. 4 4 is 16, 1, 4 2 is 8, 9. So it is not the answer. So now we'll multiply with 6. So 6 6 is 36, 3, 6 2 is 12, 13 14 15. So 156. We got the answer with multiplication by 6. So we'll write here 6 and here also we write 6. So 156 we got. So this is the answer. So square root of 2.56 is what? 1.6. So very easily we have got. Same process you have to follow, only the decimal point will shift in the quotient after this number. Understood? Very easy. Now let us take question number 3 and rest are your homework. So students, here also you have to make the bar. Here point is there, again second bar. So give the line. So now 51, whose square is less than 51? So 7 7 is 49, right? So here we'll write 7 7 is 49, 7 square is 49. Okay, now minus it, 11 minus 9, so it is coming 2, here 0. Now this point will go here, okay, and this 84 will come down. Now you have to add this number. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now what number will multiply? We'll see now the unit digit. Again 4 is the unit digit. So whose square is having 4 in the unit digit? 2 square is having 4 and 8 square, it is 64. So it is having 4. Now we'll try this 2 and 8. So 14, 2 here and 2 here. 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2. Yes, we got by 2 only. See, directly we got. So here 2 and here also 2. You have to multiply 284. Okay, now 0. So what is the square root of this? 5184. Square root of 5184 is what? 7.2. Very easy process. So in this way you can solve the square root of decimal number by using long division method. Understood? So up to question number 3 I have shown you. So all the question number 1, 2 and 3, all the remaining questions are your homework. Okay, thank you.